Very brief. Makama Nife went at Edika and the 14 day mother, Ama Mohammadike went many programs. Now, other rago and I look at always was on the distinguished senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Chief Victor Ume, Ahmadike Ndibo. The state chairman of our great party, Mr. Norbert Obi. Sir Norbert Obi, you are welcome. I welcome you all to this epoch-making event. Today marks the beginning of a new era of grassroots politics. The commissioning of my constituency office today by no less a personality than our Reverend Senator Chief Victor Ume represents a dream realized. This office will make it possible for our people to approach and interact with their representatives more easily at a central location. The siting of the office inside Afago represents the fact that my mission is people-driven, the grassroots people, farmers, traders, artisans, and commoners. Our great party, APGA, stands and works for the people, the common people. With the opening of this office, there will be a better interaction and ease of consultation, especially now that our working governor, Chief Willie Obiano, is poised to bring more development closer to the people. The office will be properly staffed by people who will be equipped to channel all your inquiries to me, even when I'm not around. I therefore call on my people of Anocha 1 to feel free to approach their representative with their issues, positive ideas, complaints, advice, and useful information. Employment program, commitment to service. As you are well aware, I was duly elected by your popular votes in 2015. This victory was stalled by the negative forces of retrogression, which out of sheer envy refused to buy the people's decision. We took up the gauntlet and headed to the electoral tribunal, where we got justice by the grace of God. We were yet dragged to the appeal court. By our traducers, where we still got unhindered justice to the glory of God. This temporal setback made me lose 7 months of people-focused legislation in the State House of Assembly. However, I believe that God's time is the best. Be that as it may, we hit the ground in January 2016, fighting with all we got to match my catchphrase, commitment to service. Since that date till now, we have left no stone unturned, within the limits of all external institutional control mechanisms, to avail our people modest dividends of democracy. I have sponsored a good number of vital motions in the House, which in unity with other members have led to a better welfare for the people. I have been able to reach out to Adazi, Enuadazane, Agoro, with modest projects. This led to security, health, accident victims, destitutes, and needy. Our previous youth employment efforts in sports, education, and business and employment have been yielding positive dividends. A number of special projects have been implemented, such as rural roads, patching, rehabilitation, public convenience, and direct scholarships. Through my efforts and facilitation, more than 50 youth have gained employment. Today, in continuation of our ongoing commitment to service, we are yet empowering our APGA party faithfuls to compensate their honorable commitment to the party as well as other deserving citizens in our constituency. In this regard, we are equipping our widows, farmers, petty traders, and some unemployed youth. We are giving out items such as electricity generating set, refrigerator, sewing machine, wheelbarrows, and others. We are also paying special attention to our people who abandoned their business in northern Nigeria as an internally displaced persons to rehabilitate them to an extent. The future holds better and brighter times for our constituency. We only encourage you to keep supporting that party that cares for your welfare, both at the state and local levels. We shall not relent in our efforts to make life better for our people. Thank you very much.
Distinguished Senator Inosiala na Kaiponete Ugobeze Nono.